Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel RDS Group class. As you know, yesterday we have started our chapter 5th command. So let us move forward to our chapter. As you all know that I have explained these terms yesterday. So now we will see the next whatever is given in command. So yesterday I have told you what is command. Command asks or tell people to do something. That means command is a thing by which people tells somebody tells to people to do something, है ना. कमांड वो होता है जिससे हम किसी को कुछ करने को कहते हैं. ओके, कमांड आस्क और टेल. कमांड कहता है किसी को पीपल टू डू समथिंग, कुछ करने के लिए. सो एज यू ऑल नो दैट देयर आर 3 वेज ऑफ कमांड्स लाइक रिक्वेस्ट, ऑर्डर एंड एडवाइस. ओके, सो now we will see in book whatever is given about the command. Yesterday we have seen, and you I hope you all have done this. You all have done this or not? Have you all done? आपने किया होगा, मैंने आपको बोला था. So next command, as you all have seen this portion also. So let us move to our next worksheet. So today's worksheet is, everybody mention the date because there is nothing more about that. Here is only definition of command and types of command, that what type of command are there. After that we will move to our worksheet, and then our notebook work will be completed. And class, whatever I am explaining, listen very carefully, okay, and do your work very sincerely, okay, in good handwriting. So let us see worksheet. So first we write the heading worksheet, and then write 10 command sentences. So in this way you all will write the 10 sentences related to request, order or advice. You have to write sentences of command that are related to advice, ऑर्डर और रिक्वेस्ट. आपको 10 सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं. वो किसी से भी रिलेटेड हो सकते हैं, ऑर्डर से भी, रिक्वेस्ट से भी और एडवाइस से भी. सो first to write the heading worksheet, then make underline with the black sketch, and then write 10 command sentences and make underline. So first you all will write come here, full stop. Next, come here. Come here is a order. Come here, go there, sit here, sit there. These are order. So also identify what type of command is this. So it's a, आपको लिखना इतना ही है, बट आई एम आस्किंग टू आइडेंटिफाई इट. सो कम हेयर इज़ अ ऑर्डर. नेक्स्ट वन, प्लीज़ गिव मी समथिंग टू ईट. प्लीज़, वेयर एवर यू विल सी द प्लीज़, दैट मीन्स इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. सो प्लीज़ गिव मी समथिंग टू ईट, सो इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट, कंप्लीट योर वर्क, दैट मीन्स अपना काम पूरा करो, इट्स अ ऑर्डर. सो ओके, सो कंप्लीट योर वर्क इज़ अ ऑर्डर. Switch off the fan, it's a command or order both in sense. Then keep quiet is order, चुप रहिए, it's order, ये एक order है. Walk daily in the morning, it's a suggestion or a advice that what walk daily in the morning, कि morning में daily walk करिए. फिर है bring a glass of water. bring a glass of water is also ऑर्डर, कि एक गिलास पानी लाओ. अगर प्लीज़ लगा होता सो वी कैन से इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट, बट इट्स अ ऑर्डर. नेक्स्ट, डोंट क्लोज द विंडो, दैट मीन्स खिड़कियाँ बंद नहीं करो. डोंट क्लोज द विंडो, खिड़कियाँ बंद मत करो. तो क्या हो जाएगा, डोंट क्लोज द विंडो, इट्स अ ऑर्डर. आफ्टर दैट, डोंट रन, दौड़ो नहीं, ठीक है, इट्स ऑल्सो अ ऑर्डर. डोंट लाफ, हंसो नहीं, इट्स ऑल्सो अ ऑर्डर. So as you all have seen that I have described that what type of command are these. Now I will read it again and listen very carefully. First, come here. Second, please give me something to eat. And after completing your sentence, put full stop like this, okay, and here you all will put a comma. Complete your work, switch off the fan, keep quiet, walk daily in the morning, bring a glass of water, don't close the window, don't run, don't laugh. Okay, so these all are sentences related to the command. So everybody today read this sentence, and when I will provide you PDF, then you all will complete this chapter in your notebook. That is clear to all of you. This is the worksheet. Now this chapter is completed in your notebook. That is clear to all of you. So now there is any confusion? Okay, no confusion. So in this chapter you all have learned about the command, that what is command and what type of command are these, and after that you all have written the definition, we can say, or you have written about the command. After that you have written the types of command, and now you have done the worksheet. So now your notebook work is completed. So tomorrow we will move forward to our book exercise, and your chapter will be completed tomorrow, and tomorrow I will provide you PDF also. That is clear to all of you now? Any confusion, any doubt? No doubt. So that is enough for the today. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you and have a nice day.